find 1.4% of 300. Now again, anytime we have find, this is n equals, and I have 1.4% of stands for the multiplication, and I have 300. I'm looking for n. N is already by itself, so I have to simply multiply 1.4% times 300. So I'm going to have 300 times 1.4. 4 times 0 gives me 0. 4 times 0 gives me 0. 4 times 3 gives me 12. 1 times 0 gives me 0. 1 times 0 gives me 0. 1 times 3 gives me 3. Plus 0, 0, 2, 4. Now I have to count the decimal places. I have just one decimal place. I have to move my decimal point ones to left. Okay, and then don't forget that 1.4 was the percent, so that's why I got percents over here. Okay, so from my multiplication I got 420%. Okay, but the problem is asking me to find the number. The problem doesn't say find percents. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to convert percent to the number. In order to convert percent to the number, I have to divide 420% by 100. So I can say n is equal 420% over 100%. Remember, percent and percent will cancel out. Number of zeros is telling me how many times I have to move my decimal point to the left. I have to move twice. 1, 2. That's why my answer is 4.2.